Hello students, welcome to our academy. In this video, we will learn how to answer the grade 8 English reading comprehension exam step by step. I will show you the reading passage, the exam questions, the correct answer, and simple tricks to answer reading questions easily. This lesson will help you understand the passage quickly and pass your English exam with confidence. I love visiting the farm. There are so many animals to see. My favorite animals are horses. So we see them first. One of the horses is running and the other is jumping. Next, we go and see the chickens. I think the chickens are boring because they are always eating, but my little brother likes them. After the chickens, we see the goats. Usually, they are walking around, so you have to be careful. Sometimes they beat. There are ducks in the pond. The ducks are swimming and start to walk when they see us. We always give them bread. I like to sit under a tree and watch the dragonflies flying over the pond. They are so fast. I look into the fields and cows and sheep grazing. They are always eating too. Before we leave, I go and see the farmer's dog. She has just had puppies. They are so cute and they love playing. The cat is scared of puppies and always runs away. That is fine because I don't like cats, but I do love visiting the farm. According to the passage, we are going to answer the questions from 1 to 7. Question number 1. Which animals are visited at the end? A. Dogs, puppies, and cat. B. Ducks, cows, and sheep. C. Horses and chickens. D. Dragonflies and goats. The answer is A. Dogs, puppies, and cats, because the passage says Number 2. It, paragraph 3, line 2, refers to blank. A. The dog. B. The puppy. C. The cat. D. The farm. The correct answer is the cat, because the passage says Question number 4. The writer visits the farm because he or she loves horses. B. There are so many animals to see. C. She or he loves visiting the farm. D. He or she studies about animals. The correct answer is C, because the passage says Question number 4. Why are chickens boring? Because they blank. A. Are liked. B. Walk around. C. Beat others. D. Eat more. Answer D, because the passage says Question number 5. On paragraph 3, line 1, the word cock means A. Swim fast. B. Produce sound. C. Dance happily. D. Fly fast. The correct answer is B. Produce sound, because the passage says Question number 6. Which one is true according to the information in the passage? A. The writer's favorite animal are chickens. B. The writer is afraid of dogs in the farm. C. The writer's favorite animals are horses. D. The writer likes both chickens and cats. The correct answer is the writer's favorite animal are horses, because the passage says. Question number 7. The best topic for the passage would be A. Visit the farm. B. Farm animals. C. Love of animals. D. My favorite animals. The correct answer is my favorite animals, because the passage says.